Hi guys, welcome to this episode. Today I'm going to be talking about the aperture, shutter and ISO and how you would use it on this Canon 250D. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. So to switch the camera on, obviously you got your switch on and off there, so switch camera on. So switch camera on. And straight away you can see my LCD screen, and here's my shutter, here's my aperture, and here's my ISO. Those are the three things that I want to sort of control today. So again, if you press the half button, it should come back on. So to change it, essentially all you need to do is just change the various things. So you can click on Q and you can press set. So if you press this set button, you can hover through it like this. Okay, so there's your three elements. So if I go to my shutter, I can increase and decrease my shutter like so. Okay, and it will allow me to change the shutter. The aperture, so if I click on the aperture and press set button again, I can increase and decrease my shutter. So I can make it, a bigger number for a smaller opening for a bigger number. So there's my shutter, and my ISO again is there, so I can take it to 100. So if I want to take it right up to 256,000, I think it goes up to. So I can take it all the way up to, and I can also have it in auto. So there's my three settings for aperture, shutter and ISO. If you press this Q button, it will give you a digital view port. So if you click on this icon here, you can also just pivot this and change it via your LCD screen with a touch screen. So that's quite useful. If I come out of it, click on the aperture, and again I can increase and decrease my aperture, and the visual will give me on screen whether the shot's making a difference to the shot. So that's useful. And my ISO is obviously over here, so I can click on my ISO again and do exactly the same thing for ISO. And obviously these three things make a huge difference to the overall sort of sharpness in terms of under saturation or over saturation of both videography and photography. So you really want to sort of play around with those three settings on your DSLR camera to ensure that you get the right temperature, right sort of contrast, right exposure of your photography or filming. So like I said, there's two ways of doing it. All you do is you click on this Q button and it takes you to the old school way of doing it. And you can also use the wheel up here to also change it as well, and you can also go Q and do the same thing over here as well, which is useful if you like to do the old school way. Most people like to just click and sort of just hover through it nowadays like so, which is a little bit more quicker with these sort of LCD screens. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Any questions, please do post. So this is a quick tutorial on aperture, shutter and ISO on the Canon 250D. If you've got any questions regarding the settings or any sort of any types of videos you want me to make, so a few people have been asking about sports photography, which I really appreciate, and I will make some in the summer. In England at the moment it's very cold and drab, so it's not really the right ideal weather to make those sort of videos, but I will definitely make a few videos on those sort of things when the weather gets better and I'm out and about doing my filming and my shooting when it's good weather. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please post and please subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot guys. Bye.